How's it going, everybody? This is Caleb Ragnar from Pete's RV. I'm over here today at the York RV show in Pennsylvania. Going to take a look at a new floor plan that the Jayflight series released this year. It's going to be the 380 DQS. This is going to be that double bedroom coming at you for the Jayflight series. So in a travel trailer, you're going to be able to have that secondary bedroom right up in front with the queen bed. Plenty of space to be able to stash your clothes, overhead storage as well, outlets on both sides of that bed. And while we're in here, just pointing out, you are going to have your charge controller right up here. There's going to be a 200-watt panel standard from Pete's RV right up there on that Magnum Truss roof system. And as we exit the bedroom, just showing you, we are going to have that clip for that sliding door right there to be able to give you a little privacy. We've got the entertainment system over here, radio. You're going to have your indoor speakers, weatherproof exterior speakers as well, be able to connect Bluetooth, have zone 1 and zone 2. Option to also be able to hook up directly to your TV and play whatever audio you've got on there through those speakers as well. They've got the curtain on this beautiful sliding door that we have here. We've got the sink, solid countertops over here. We're going to have more overhead cabinetry. All the drawers on here are going to be on that 75-pound drawer glide, and a little bit of space underneath your oven as well. We've got that 3-burner stovetop over here as well. And next to that, we're going to have our residential style Ever-Chill refrigerator, being able to adjust separate temperatures for both of these secondary freezer compartments right here. And then we're going to have our U-shaped dinette, be able to collapse that down into a bed. We've got the fire exit right over our theater seatings, which are going to come complimentary with these little TV dinner trays. Now, as we work our way into the back bedroom, pointing out we are going to have our first main AC right here in that living space, which is going to be ducted throughout the ceiling in this camper. There is a second air conditioner in here, but it's going to be just the unit itself. Just pointing out real quickly, controls are going to be right up here on the actual unit, not going to be linked up with our HVAC ports overhead. Now, here in the bathroom, we've got controls for our tankless hot water here. Just going to be running off of gas, but you'll be able to have a whole family of 6 or 8 being able to take a hot shower one after another, unlike those old styles. Pretty decent sized shower in here. Gonna have that skylight right overhead as well to help those taller folks still be able to fit. Got the bathroom sink, toilet, and then you're gonna have a little bit of cabinet space over here for all your towels and other bathroom accessories. Now, as we move into this back bedroom, this is the actual master. I just got to point this out. I love this. You got the little door stop right there, so you're not smacking that into your shower frame. Going to help prevent some potential damage down the line. Now, in the back here, you are going to have that king bed. It's going to have that slide out for east to west facing bed. Plenty of drawer glides. Again, 75 pounds for every drawer glide on the Jaycos. Lots of space here in the back. Big closet for you to hang up all your shirts, dresses, coats. And then they have a little table over here that you could sit on the bed, be able to do some office work, more space with all those drawers, and a nice window right there in the back as well. We've got the door leading out, which will take you out to all your camping adventures from here. Now, pointing on the back, by our bumper, we are going to have that quick connect for propane right here on the back. And on a lot of the Jayflights moving forward, you're going to see the rock solid stabilizers. So scissor jacks are still going to be on some of the smaller models, but rock solid going to offer you almost 50% more stability on these units, thanks to it having those 2 arms forming either a 45 or 90 degree angle. All of these are going to be prepped for a backup camera, as well as both of your side markers as well. Up front, we're going to have that pass-through storage compartment, which if you see way in the back there is going to be pre-wiring for an inverter if that's something you decide to add on down the line. 1 push-button light right here in that pass-through. And up on the front, we are going to have that diamond plate up front, not having to worry about that solid front cap that we have right here, the fiberglass back with the Asdel. Not going to have to worry about damaging that paint job and that beautiful Jayco logo there. Other side marker right here. And on that back bedroom slide out, there is going to be a compartment right in here, which you're going to be able to access from underneath the bed as well. Here's that tankless hot water heater, just giving you a quick peek inside there. You can see right in the back, you've got that 2-liter copper holding tank. Again, only powered off of gas. You're going to have your fuse right in here, as well as an on-off button and your low point drain when you do want to winterize. Though you don't need to bypass on these, still want to make sure we're pulling this low point to get any water out as we're either draining it or blowing out our lines. And that's just a quick look here over at the York Show. Again, we're taking a look at the 380 DQS, that double bedroom floor plan from the Jayflight series with that lovely residential sliding door. If you need any more information about this unit, feel free to contact us here at Pete's RV. I will also have my personal contact info in the description section below. If you want to reach out, call me, shoot me a text. Be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Hopefully see you and the family rolling off our lot with a brand new Jayco for the 2024 camping season. Have a great rest of your weekend, everybody.